Alright, open your Canva and click custom size. Then we are setting 400 for the width and 200 for the height. Yeah, this is it. Go to elements, shapes, and then select this shape. If you don't know what we are doing, we are designing a Pepsi logo for VAM concept graphic class. So just resize it, slant your phone for a better view. So what I did here is that I copied the exact shape, then I changed the color to blue, lay them side by side, and then take another shape, circle this time around, and select white, color white, then lay it and arrange it at the center to fit in properly. You have to be careful when designing. Now search for semicircle. Search for semicircle in the elements. Then yeah, that first one. Arrange it. Increase it. See, as I'm drawing it, as I drag it, it increased in size. Then I copied it and turn it the other way around. I change the color and move it up. It's not actually difficult. Search for another shape, modern shapes. Just type modern shapes. Then we are going to select this. Just watch carefully the shape I'm going to select. Yes, this shape. As you can see, I changed the color to white so it can give me what I want. And then you place it properly. Place it properly to get this beautiful shade of Pepsi logo. Then I copied it, the same shape. I copied the same shape and also placed it in the red side. You know, the first one I placed was in the blue side. Now the second one is in the red side. You see how I turn it? You are going to turn it so that the shape can also be in the red side, and you are going to arrange it very well to give us that particular wavy like shape. To give us that particular wavy like shape that the Pepsi logo has. What I'm doing here is just moving it with my nudge, so as to arrange it properly well. Okay, make sure you arrange it well so that it will form that shape very well without any mistake. If you have any confusion, comment your confusion or probably send a DM. Alright, I'm just making sure everything is arranged properly to give me that beautiful curvy shape. Now text, add heading. You just write your Pepsi, that's all. Then for the font, I'm going to be using Archivo Black. I'm going to be using Archivo Black as my font. Then I'm going to increase the size. Yes, just increase the size. Increase the size. Remember, this is VAM concept graphic class, and you are going to replicate this and send it to me or to the group. So this is it. I'm just adjusting the Pepsi text well. Then this is my design. I've saved it, and I can also save it without a background, like with a transparent background. That's for if you are using Canva Pro. So this is the one with a transparent background, this is the one with a white background. They are both fine, right? So that is all about that. You can also get that transparent background, the one that doesn't have background, right, by removing that white background with using Chrome. You just type remove.bg on Chrome, or download the photo room app and use it to remove background. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.